It's your boy Terrence Carter, and I'm here, back at it again, with another YouTube video for the channel. I want to say happy Monday to everybody listening to today's video. If you are new to the YouTube channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. And as you listen to this video, if you gain something from it in a positive way, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and also leave your comments below. Now, I definitely want to continue to bring y'all along my journey in the stock market and, of course, my SR journey as well. So, the first thing I want to talk to you guys about is, of course, the stock market. It's a new week, new money. It's time to continue to remain focused on our goals and continue to achieve them and set higher goals. Now, as you guys can see right here, we're looking at the micro E-mini NASDAQ 100. This is the futures. So, this is usually what you'll see after the stock market closes. And it sort of kind of gives you like a gist of what the market is going to do. But it doesn't 100% determine the type of day you're going to have in the stock market. I just want to try to see like how the charts move in the real time. So like I told y'all in one of the previous videos, the red candles mean bearish. So it means prices going down. The green candles mean prices going up. And like I said, you get to see it in real time. So you can see this is the 1 minute chart if you look on the bottom of the screen. And the rest of the stocks aren't moving right now because the stock market obviously isn't open yet. It opens at 9:30 a.m. So I'll show you guys how the portfolio is doing so you guys can see. So right now we're sitting at $15,025.33. Friday I was down $407.93. Just showing y'all the real and the raw. S&P is back down to $600. So if I were y'all, I would definitely, purchase more shares. Pre-market is at $603.57. Apple is back down. Like, y'all can see all of this, bro. Amazon was down $9. Apple down $5. Tesla been taking a hit. Tesla was down $12. And to me personally, like I tell you guys all the time, it's just pure opportunity. You guys can see it here. I was down $81.37 on Apple on Friday. Amazon, I was down $231.38. But y'all already know what I did today. I bought more. So I bought more Amazon and I bought more Tesla today. And then throughout the week, I'm going to continue to buy more. And then when I get paid on Friday for my job, I'm going to definitely load the boat and take care of a couple things that I got to take care of. Let me see. We got Google. Google has been down. So it's just me showing you guys, like I said, overall how the portfolio is doing. Yeah, get to see for yourself. Like I told y'all before, I know a lot of people don't really like to show their portfolio or show you, the wins and the losses. They'll show you more of the wins, but they won't really show you the losses. But me being on this YouTube platform, I'm gonna show y'all everything, so that you can learn this skill. You can learn the fact that I'm not always gonna make money every day in the stock market. I'm gonna actually have to go through corrections and retracements, and the stock market is gonna do what the stock market does. But like I tell you guys all the time, when you see things like this, it's just an opportunity. That's all that it is. If we extend the chart, y'all can see that in a month. So y'all can see in the day, Like I said, $407.93 in a month, excuse me, 5 days. I'm down $522.05. So that's just me, just like I laugh at things like this now because I learned to just persevere. 1 month, I'm only down $134.90. Um, Year to date, I'm down. And then 1 year, I'm up $2,943.66. So, but yeah, that's just that. You gotta continue your investing journey. Always remember that an asset is something that puts money in your pocket. A liability is something that takes money out of your pocket. Some people feel like their cars are assets or their home is an asset. Yeah, your home may go up in price, but you gotta make sure you pay the property taxes on that, or the mortgage, whatever you want to call it. Your car, you're constantly adding gas and oil changes and car notes and things like that. So you gotta always keep up with that. And then, like, when you're making more money, you never want to have, like, this thing called lifestyle creep. Because sometimes as human beings, we feel like once we make more money, we can start really buying the things that we want to buy. But I feel like you should put more money into your assets. Even though I can't tell you what to do. You're going to do what you want to do as a person. At the end of the day, we all got to learn. So, but me personally, I would just add more to my assets so that my assets is working for me. And, you'll think yourself. Real talk. But yeah, that's the stock market portfolio. Now, I'm going to just talk to you guys about the SR journey. Now, of course, the SR journey is one of the most important journeys that you will go through as a man. Of course, you're going to learn more about yourself than anybody would truly know. And you're going to learn how to be more disciplined with your sexual energy. It is very vital for your success, and it is very vital for your healing process as a male. A lot of us go through traumatic experiences that we try to run away from with the healing aspect. A lot of us go through not really learning how to express our emotions or even deal with our emotions, but you have to learn how to deal with it as a man. And women too. Women have to learn how to deal with the emotions as well. But just learning how to put that energy into things that matter the most and not into depleting yourself, Being on SR is more of a mental battle, and it's a spiritual warfare too, because indulging into watching PMO videos will destroy you spiritually and destroy you mentally. It'll make you weak, and it'll make you feel like you're only feeding your flesh, but you're not feeding your spirit. You're not feeding your soul, So you wanna feed your soul. You wanna be able to feed your spirit. You wanna be able to grow in life and evolve and change into a better version of you. You cannot think that change is scary. Change is actually a good thing, and it's beneficial for your well-being on earth. And we all should focus on evolving within. SR is also about just embracing your energy. Embracing the energy that God has given to you and cultivating it into other areas of your life. I put my energy into the stock market. I put my energy into the gym. I love to journal, which I need to start doing more often. I put my energy into my work. I put my energy into this YouTube channel. Spend time with family. I spend time with my spouse. I spend time with myself as well. But I try to use my energy to my advantage because this was never really taught to me. And for those that's like just now starting out, especially if you're in your early 20s or your late 20s or, teenage years, like you have the advantage because a lot of people don't know about being on retention. People just know about wasting energy, wasting their seed, and just feeling like a Debbie Downer. But you got to make the change that you want to see within yourself happen. And you have to make the day count. You have to make every day count on this journey, you know? And you have to get over your porn addiction, because that's gonna hinder your growth the most. And instead of you taking opportunities to better your life, you're gonna be bypassing the opportunities, and you're going to just feel this certain vibration and frequency that you just feel like is normal, you know? So you want to be able to retain your essence, take back your power as a man, and use it to connect with the source. You know, use it to connect with God, so that you could, you know, grow stronger and just change. You know, have a healthier, have a healthier version of yourself. Have a healthier mind, spirit, mind, body, and spirit. You know, mind, body, and soul. And just embrace this journey, bruh. Some people will ask, what's the purpose of me holding on to my seed? It's so that you have energy. Because, like I said, the average person walks around depleted. No energy. No sense of direction. Just naturally feeling lethargic. Like, that's the norm of human nature, but it's not. Yeah, it's in our nature to procreate, yes. But if you're not procreating, why would you spill your seed without a care? What's the point of that? Right? Because you just want this certain feeling. But you're never going to get that feeling that you want until you get on SR. Until you get on NoFap. Alright? So, this is just a quick YouTube video for the channel. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for rocking out with me. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up. Leave your comments below. And I'll be back at it with some more videos for y'all. Be safe. Love y'all.